are lining up, and these are the standard boats. In lane 1, DAB Miss A Bit of Titty, MBT. Abreast of Life in lane 2. Lane 3 will be Paddles and Pearls Charleston. Lane 4, Robust BCS Dragon Boat Team. And lane 5, Dragons Abreast Sydney. And we seem to have them all there, so that's the start. We'll just wait for them to get going now.
Race 66. This is the
Race 66.
Breast Cancer Survivors Women.
All right, they're on the starting line. Still another 15, including this race, to go today. So a little bit more action, a bit more activity. Let me tell you about South Australia while we're waiting. You can sample local craft beers and the city's best bites at bars and gourmet restaurants in Adelaide, small bars and laneways, many of them all over the city, east to west, north to south. They are off. Race 66, they're away. A clean start. Lane 2 seemed to have the early start in this as well, Abreast of Life. So here we go.
This is race 66, and this is the standard boat. Breast Cancer Survivors Women's. Now lane 1 is Dragons Abreast Miss A Bit of Titty. In lane 2 we've got Abreast of Life from New Zealand. Lane 3, Paddles and Pearls Charleston. Lane 4, Robust Dragon Boat Team, that's the Breast Cancer Survivor team from Canada. And Dragons Abreast Sydney, or DAS as we know them here in lane 5. So as you can see, a few pink uniforms in there amongst these crews. And this is the Breast Cancer Survivor Women's Standard Boat round 3 rather. So an important race here for the medals in this category. So we're looking for a leader here, and it's probably lane 2, Abreast of Life, but we'll look towards the centre. Paddles and Pearls in Charleston. Paddles and Pearls Charleston rather in 3. Robust Breast Cancer Survivor Dragon Boat Team from Canada out there in 4. Now Dragons Abreast Sydney just dropping off the pace, as is DAB Dragons Abreast Miss A Bit of Titty in 1. But it's in the middle as we expect as they come down in this round 3. And it looks like it might be Paddles and Pearls Charleston just in front. But the challenge is now going to come from Robust in lane 4. And then we've got back in lane 2 Abreast of Life from New Zealand. But it's these 3 crews. It's going to be a race in 3 here, and the medals at stake. And it's Robust from Canada, the Robust Breast Cancer Survivors Dragon Boat Team out in front from lane 3, Paddles and Pearls Charleston. Then we've got Abreast of Life New Zealand holding down 3rd. It's still Robust in front. The Robust crew from Canada just in front of Paddles and Pearls from Charleston. And then we've got Abreast of Life from New Zealand, but going strongly still Robust, about a half a boat length in front, and Robust still in front as they get near the line. I think you'll find Robust will take out this round 3. Robust crossing first in front of Paddles and Pearls Charleston. Then we've got Abreast of Life will be 3rd in lane 2, and then out there to lane 5, Dragons Abreast Sydney, and back to Dragons Abreast Miss A Bit of Titty in 1.
Well, another exciting finish, boys. See the 3rd finishing there, rapidly making up ground. I thought almost they might make 2nd, but no, they didn't do that. Unfortunately for them, but luckily for the team that did finish 2nd. Here are the times. Robust BCS Dragon Boat Team, 2:20.82. 2nd place, Paddles and Pearls Charleston, 2.22. Abreast of Life, 2.23.5, half a second behind 2nd. Gee, they finished fast. In 4th place, Dragons Abreast Sydney, 2.28.5, and DAB Miss A Bit of Titty, 2.30.1. So exciting finish to race number 66, standard BCS Women, Breast Cancer Survivors Women, and it is certainly